Diane Buchholz here with Keller Williams Realty and coming to you from 306 Southeast Fisk Road in Southbend. Great metal roof, beautiful outside, nice circular driveway, double door entry, nice and high, big window. So we have our foyer entryway, cute little living area. You've got your master bedroom, and little office area in front, and a nice big closet, plenty of storage. Fantastic open kitchen, nice high cabinets, really cool outdoor kitchen, overlooking your great backyard. I'm going to be doing an open house here this Sunday. Come check it out.